Welcome! If you're not getting notified when someone adds you on Snapchat, you're definitely missing out on important updates. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable alert notifications for when friends add you on Snapchat using your Android phone. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your main settings. This is where all your device controls live, and we'll be adjusting how Snapchat sends you notifications. Once you're inside settings, scroll down a bit and tap on apps. This section shows all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open up the app-specific settings where you can control permissions and notifications. Now tap on Notifications. This is where things get important because this section controls how and when Snapchat alerts you. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This allows you to customize different types of alerts within Snapchat instead of applying one setting to everything. Here, look for the option called Added You under the Friends section. This is the exact notification type that alerts you when someone adds you on Snapchat. Tap on Added You and you'll see different notification styles. Go ahead and select Alert. This ensures your phone actively notifies you with sound or pop-up alerts instead of silently sending it in the background. Once you've selected Alert, you're all set. From now on, whenever someone adds you on Snapchat, you'll get notified instantly so you never miss a new connection.